Our BZR-X Sporties might just be one of the best LED driving lights ever made. It's a big call, but we don't think it's the wrong one. Using market-leading Philips Lumi LED chips, combined with unbeatable reflector technology, we've been able to build a light that'll give you outstanding distance and a combination of flood that'll rival most light bars on the market. Producing over 17,000 lumens each, with light good enough to read a newspaper at 1.5 kilometres away, our BZR-X lights are going places no other LED driving light has ventured before. Built with the same meticulous quality you've come to know and love from Hardkorr, we've constructed these lights out of the finest aircraft-grade aluminium and finished it off with a sealed, virtually unbreakable Lexan polycarbonate lens, making them fully waterproof. To put it simply, you just can't break them. When it comes to mounting, we wanted something that even the toughest tracks couldn't rattle. We've created a custom bracket out of powder-coated marine-grade 4mm stainless steel, engineered to be virtually indestructible. Available in both 7 and 9 inches, its ultra-slim design and stylish daytime running light means it's going to look great on your bull bar. Coming complete with a wiring harness and full 3-year warranty, you just won't find a better light on the market. So if these tickle your fancy, head into any one of our participating stockists or jump online, get yours today.